Morning, folks. It's Tuesday. We're gonna go look for some scrap. But first, too much, so maybe perfect. See, this one popped off the steel pipe, which is what I want. It's all copper. This one's still got a chunk of steel on it, so I'll have to figure that out. All right, now we're gonna go street scrapping. What is this? Tell me it's a fridge. Is that a microwave? Okay. And then, if it is, where am I going to put it? Let's see if I can lift her out. Oh, yeah, dang it. Oh, man. Okay. Take it out and put break. Yeah, it is a microwave. Oh, man. I don't want to dump junk all over the place, but they got this packed in here tight. Yeah, I'll pick it all back up if it falls in. Yeah, I'll get you. Come on. Oh man, this is tipping over, guys. Come here. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Get out of there. All right, set her down. Oh man, this is a big one. The question is, where the heck am I gonna put that in? Let's see if I can cram this up in here. I doubt it, but stay. And I can set it right there, I think. So, my coworker Jose has another microwave for me in the back of his vehicle. Actually, I think it's his girlfriend's vehicle. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're gonna go in. You're going in. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's gonna come right back out at the scrapyard. Bingo. Thank you, door. Oh. Yeah. I'll leave this end hanging out. Got the cords off. I buried my usual snips, so I'm gonna have to, brother, come on. Hey. I have to use a cheap pair. So, let me go get them. Yeah, I'm not too worried about the wire and this other wire. Adding a little bit more weight. What did I do with those? Oh, jeez. Right here. All right, folks, up next, scrapyard. Check this out. I'm gonna have to wait, but that's okay. Maybe not. Look at that. 3 tons plus 20 pounds. Sloppy mess, boots. Reason why I didn't go out yesterday, well, I did go out yesterday, actually, but it was nasty out, folks. Raining, and I found one thing, and it wasn't even worth the video. So, ready. Suppose I should have backed up a little further, but gotta keep that in a little ways. Come. I'm gonna back up a little more. The other reason I haven't been out too much lately is my foot. My left foot is really giving me grief. Bunch of grief. So I have to put biofreeze on it, and the wife has to wrap it. All right, let's get this back up where it belongs. Get you back in seat. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. Now I can put that tote back up. Yeah, come on. All right. Yeah, I don't care about the motor in here. Let's see. Nice tangled mess, huh? All right. Yeah, that can go. hit by this. Ah, dang it. That's wanting to come out. Oh, brother, wrong arm. Oh, brother. Pinched. Well enough. I think this is aluminum anyways, most of it. So that's cool. Oh. Right under. There you go. Alright. Alright, we gotta move this stuff. Yep. Okay. That's hooked on there. Alright. What you gotta be doing? There you go. All right. Okay. Hey. Come on. Ouch. Yeah, there's that shoulder problem right there. Oh. All right. How about you lay down in there? All right. No, you. You. And yeah, this is what I found yesterday. That's it. In the rain. Okay. Now we'll go through and weigh it again. Grip shade. Some of this. All right, folks. That's it for the scrapyard. How much did I make? I can't show you while I drive. 80 beans. 80 beans. How about that? That's pretty good money. A special shout out to one Nancy Murillo. She's the fine lady that takes care of me in the office. All of us. She kicks. Can't say it. But. All right. Shout out, Nancy. My love to you, lady. You make me so happy whenever I come in. You're so great. I used to work with Nancy. Okay, now, up around this corner and off of the street, there might be another scrap metal tree. Let's go find out. Is it still here? It is. Let's go get it. All right, get it out there a ways and now I can twist it. All right. Much of this is going to be edited out. Here we go. Now, I took the copper off of this earlier, just in case somebody else came along and picked this up. So, all right, in you go, in you go. There we go. Wonder if I can swing it to the side instead. Well, that close, I doubt it, but it's a long one. Hey, it worked. How about that? Oh, can't leave this behind. Well, there you go, guys. What a day. And it's not even, I think, 9 o'clock in the morning yet. But I have to work tonight, so I'm gonna go put back out on the street. Yeah, man. Come on. Yeah, I got a lot to take care of, and I promise you, it is going to get taken care of. So, but that's gonna do it for today. I'll get that microwave from Jose tonight. He said it's still in the back of the vehicle. For tomorrow, maybe a street run. Maybe. I don't know. I gotta see how the weather looks. Oh, there's so much traffic on this street.